Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yes, Foodies, and press the bell icon to get notified. Do check the description box for the previous videos links. Hello everyone, Subho Bijoya, and here I am back with another recipe, and that is white sauce pasta. Now starting the recipe, I have taken some water in a pan which I am going to slightly salt it, and once this comes to a boil I am going to put 1 cup of pasta. This is the macaroni, and then once the pasta is cooked I am going to drain the water off and then keep it aside and move on to the next step. Now taking a karai, to this I am going to add a tablespoon of butter, and to the butter I am going to add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and mix it quickly and keep on mixing it for about like 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, to this I am going to add 3/4 of cup of milk, but I am not going to add the whole milk at once. I am going to gradually add in the milk and whisk it so that it forms a sauce-like consistency. Just keep on mixing the milk gradually and whisk it so that there is no lumps. Even if there are little lumps, it's fine, it's not going to be that much of a problem. Just keep on whisking it and adding the milk so that it forms a little sauce like consistency. As you can see, this has formed a little sauce like consistency. Now to this I'm going to add little bit of salt for the taste. Put the salt accordingly because you have already put some salt while boiling the pasta, so put it according to your taste. And next I am going to put the grated cheese. This is processed cheese which I have used. You can use mozzarella or any other cheese you want. This is like 4 tablespoons of grated cheese. Now to this I'm going to add the boiled pasta which I've kept aside. Quickly adding in the pasta and then mixing it with the sauce. Once the pasta and the sauce is mixed nicely, to this I'm going to add little bit of mixed herbs, like 1/4 of a teaspoon of mixed herb and also 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili flakes. Quickly give it a stir and then our pasta is going to be ready. Give it a quick mix and that's it, our pasta is ready. And yum, look how delicious the pasta is looking. Definitely try it at home. Thank you for watching. Bye.